Welcome to Bluewaters Island in Dubai. This is the pinnacle of luxury. We're touring this 4-bed, 5-bathroom plus maid apartment today. It's 230 square meters, priced today on the market for $6.5 million or 24 million dirhams. And what makes Bluewaters Island so unique and so exclusive? Well, I guess you can see it. The views, the water. Let's go out on a balcony and have a look. As we come out here on the balcony or outdoor area, they've actually designed this very nice with several different spaces to chill and relax in and dine in. But first, what do you look at? It's of course the magical view, and this is what makes Bluewaters Island so unique. The tranquility of just looking out on this endless Arabian Gulf. You even have the stones laid out here that looks like corals, and this island here is fully artificial. It's artificial made. It wasn't here 10 years ago. And this is the vision of Meraas and how they wanted to construct this island just outside JBR. And it's been a massive success. But let's keep on looking at the outdoor space here. You have a dining space here that is quite spacious for 4 people. I guess you can probably squeeze in a couple more if you would have a bench. It's a wraparound balcony here. So if you come with me, there's actually a little chill area here on the outside as well, where you would get views towards the address and JBR, and can be watching the boats go out here for the sunset views. And I really like this area.
Yeah, just sit there, have a book, just reading, and have this amazing view.
Amazing view, and just the water does something with you, right? It's so
it's so calm.
So calm. I absolutely love it. And moving over to the other space here, they've chosen here to put a little lounge area here where you can just relax, have a coffee, a tea, maybe a little shisha if you're in for that. And what's magical with this property here, it's actually facing straight towards the sunset view. We're here in the morning right now, and it's still absolutely lovely and calm and nice. But for the evening, the sunset, that's when you would get that $1 million Instagram view from here.
Probably the best sunset in Dubai.
Yeah, Dubai has the best sunsets. It's always like every day is a good sunset here. So you have to come and check it out for yourself. But love this wraparound balcony. It's probably here you would spend the majority of your time.
And then you have a swimming pool down there as well. Take a dip.
Obviously, yeah, with this type of properties, you have the best amenities with gym, best pools and everything. And you can have your morning walks around and watch the townhouses here down by the water. But let's move back into the living area.
Moving back here to the kitchen and living room, but we just need to take a second here. Look at this masterpiece. Look at this chandelier. And it kind of set the tone for the whole apartment. It's a fully furnished apartment. It screams luxury. It's really nice. I like the color that you choose in here as well. If you've seen the townhouses, it's similar design, but it's a little bit brighter here, so I really like that.
Yeah, you can tell it's probably the same interior designer.
Yeah, I really like this designer, so we're probably going to use the same for our apartment. If we continue here, we have this nice social table here. It's a round table, which I like because it's giving more space. Everyone gets also a view of the master view, the ocean. So if we continue here, we have this big masterpiece as a kitchen island. And what I really like in this apartment, that is kind of really simple. Everything is hidden, so you don't get focus on this kitchen. You want to have the focus on the ocean view, which you get different angle here. So the whole living room space here is just ocean everywhere. It's really amazing. Of course, it has this best utilities as well. If we continue here to the living area, and I really like the color that depicts is earthy tones. It makes it calm. It's a lot of textiles as well. This huge carpet.
It looks like a luxury hotel lobby or something, doesn't it, the carpet?
Yeah, it gives you that kind of feeling, but still the calmness. It's not like the chaotic that you can get in a hotel lobby feeling. You have the same marble as the diner table. You have this big inbuilt TV frame where you can put your art pieces here as well on both sides. You have all the design furniture as well that you really need in this luxury apartment.
Yeah, I guess it's not made for people with small kids. I mean, there's a lot of things to break here.
Furniture cost, but it looks really nice though. And then you have this huge sofa as well. You can just chill. Look at this big TV. I don't know the size of that. But what I really like is how they plan this living area. You get kind of 2 rooms, even if this is the same kitchen and living room. But you have this kind of how to pick the couch and facing this way. And then you have the mirror there as well. That makes it, even if you're sitting here and talking to these people, you can still see the ocean from the mirror. No, I can definitely see myself living here. I really like the design. It has everything that you want in this apartment.
Let's check out the bedrooms then, yeah?
Yes, so let's continue. So just before we go and check all the bedrooms, I just need to show you a really cool thing. Jacob was like laying on the wall here, and then suddenly this door, this hidden door was opened up. We didn't see the maids and the utilities room, so we thought it was a little bit weird that we couldn't find it. But here it is. So this is probably the best maid room we ever seen in Dubai. It has this really nice view against the address. So yeah, really nice for them. And the maid have, of course, their own toilet here. But if you're going to the entrance, we have firstly the powder room here, which is perfect for dinner guests. We had a lot of storage here, and this is not really usual in Dubai that you have storage for your coats. So let's continue here. We have this amazing corridor, but we'll discuss that more later. But it has 4 bedrooms, as Jacob said, and you can use it in different ways. And the first one is actually an office, which is really cool. Look at the space of this office here. Look at the view. You probably have one of the best views here in Dubai. Sitting here, taking some working calls, and just, yeah, you probably get distracted of that view. I don't know if you can do any work here. Yeah. It's gonna sit here and just go in the zen mode.
I like how they kind of place this desk as well. I mean, it's a bit...
Yeah, it's like in the middle of the room as well, so you get the space behind it. This armchair is the same theme as the couch as well, which I really like, this earthy tone here as well. You have the same tone as the TV frame as well.
And this is the wall facing the living room, right? So it looks just like that. But this is very cool, isn't it? Like the art. Yeah.
And it has this hotel feeling here as well. You have this same kind of theme as the carpet as well. A lot of curtains, a lot of textiles as well. So yeah, it's a cozy place. I don't know if you can say that, but I like it.
Yeah, it's still serious. I think you'll do a lot of business here. Obviously, you've done a lot of business if you can afford a $6.5 million apartment.
And all the bedrooms have, of course, their own ensuite as well. But yeah, let's continue, and Jacob will show you the rest of the bedrooms.
Back here in the corridor and hallway connecting all the bedrooms. And we started to look in all the bedrooms and found out that there was no like walk-in closet, which was actually quite surprising. But we think they've done something very clever with this apartment here. They made the hallway, the corridor, into kind of like both a walk-in closet, but a social space. So you can kind of get away to your own little corridor, but you can also meet in this corridor. And normally these corridors are very cold. You just want to pass through it, but this one you actually want to stay in. You want to sit down here and maybe talk to your siblings or your guests or whoever it might be. And they put in this nice floor carpet here, which makes it cozy and homely, I would say, right? So I really, really like this, what they've done, and it kind of inspired me at least to what you can do more things with your corridor. Let's move into another bedroom here. So as Malin pointed out, there's 4 bedrooms, 3 in a row here that are equal, and then the last one is of course the master. This one they haven't actually put in a bed in yet. I mean, this is just probably have too much space, you know, to do things. So they made, I really like what they've done here. They put in 2 armchairs, 2 big mirrors, and what I'm thinking here is, you know, when you get dressed in the morning, you have one chair, I have one chair, or maybe you have your friends here, and you want to, I guess when people are getting married, you know, I'm thinking about, you know, girls when they're trying out a wedding dress and you have your friends sitting and looking. I get that feeling from this room, and all these rooms are connected with the water and the light coming in. So Give us a comment what you would do with this room. Do you have any better ideas on what you can do, or should it be another bedroom? Maybe yoga studio, maybe a gaming room. I don't know what people like, but I really love this. Okay, and as Malin pointed out, en suites in every room, so you don't have to worry about, you know, waiting for your time to brush your teeth in the morning. There's like 6 bathrooms in this apartment, which is crazy. Again, now you can see it in full color here, the wardrobes, even more space for your art pieces, your design, and you can show off all these nice things that you might bring from home.
I like how they're lighting up as well.
Yeah, it's just, I don't know what we would put there. We don't have too many things.
I can put all my bags there. Sorry.
Bags or something. Moving in then to the guest bedroom, that's what it's called. As you see again, the interior designer has been very active and really likes what they do. I do like unity and cohesiveness in properties, right? And nice thing is we've been in a lot of different apartments here that have kind of like the same layout as this one. I wouldn't say the layout is that unique with this property, but what you do with it, this is what differs, right? How you put in that extra effort into this design, into framing your walls, adding these details. I think that's what makes it more homely and different compared to other properties. And of course, it's a lot easier when you do have this view, the $1 million view. It just, I mean, this is kind of, it frames in every room, right? And it's present in every room of this property.
You probably don't need any paintings or art.
Yeah, the only art we've seen here, like the paintings, well, there's one little bit crazy one in the office, but the rest of them are similar to this, just basically very modest, or whatever you can call it. Very, like, you're not supposed to take your eyes off that view, right? That's what I really like. I think they've done a fantastic job with this property. And I would bet if it would be completely empty, we would have a totally different feeling and vibe being here. But as soon as we went in, we felt like, wow, this is amazing. We don't want to leave. Let's move in and finally to the master bedroom here. The master bedroom. Of course, the ensuite is a little bit bigger. The bedroom is a little bit bigger, which you deserve if you've been working hard and this is your home. The bathroom here has double basins, and his and hers, which we of course always dreamed of. We said it before. You have your walk-in shower and also, of course, your bathtub, right? So you don't have to fight if you both have to. One likes to take a bath, one likes to take a shower. No issues at all. Then the master, a little bit bigger. I think it's another meter in depth here. A little bit more luxurious in general. The bed frame here, the coziness. Yeah, I don't want to destroy anything in here because it's just so nice. I don't want to move anything. But yeah, it's just a fantastic way to wake up in. But I would say the best point of the day here is the evening, the sunset, when the sun is setting here and you just look out over the Arabian Gulf. I mean, we love it. We never get sick of the sunset in this city and in this country. So now let's walk back to the living room and we'll show you the size of this property all the way through. Come on. Back in the living room area, the kitchen. This is where we began the video, and I wish we could stay all day here, but unfortunately we have to leave. We want to thank our friends at Experience for enabling us to get access to these type of properties, to view these type of properties and inspire us. Honestly, like coming in here for me, that's my word that I'm bringing with me from this is inspiration. What you can get, you know, if you work hard and if you dream about Dubai, this is what you dream about. Thank you for watching our videos and subscribing to the channel. It's growing by the day. We so much appreciate your comments and reaching out to us. And if you have questions, you have our email below and our WhatsApp number. So just send us a ping and we'll give you more details about this property, or if you're interested in relocating or buying something in Dubai, reach out to us. So thank you and we'll see you soon again.